It's given grown and sexy. It's given full glam. It's given so the perfect silver smoky eye. Usually when I do smoky eye, it's like just a halo look, but I decided to play around with this. So we are on number 3, the third iconic palette from Makeup Revolution, and this one is called the Smoky Icon. So I said I want to go around with the theme that is the smoky eyes, and obviously it is. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nyasha and this is Makeup a Difference. If you want to see how this video goes, please carry on watching. We are on the third palette from this iconic palettes from Makeup Revolution. So excited. We are doing the Smoky Icon. Let me swatch these shadows for you guys. Look at how gorgeous the shadows look on my skin tone. Absolutely stunning. So I'm going in with my P. Louise base. This one is in the shade number 2. It is really light. I also want to let you know that you can use a black base if you want to do smoky eyes. So I wasn't sure how I was gonna do this smoky eye, but then I ended up going in with this darker gray color, and I just wanted it to just map out the halos of my eye. And then I will blend it in with a darker brown from a different palette from Makeup Revolution, because the other one didn't have the brown. So basically this whole eyeshadow is blending. You need to learn how to blend your shadows. So I was really blending in, making sure it's seamless, and going back again with that dark gray if I want it to be more smoky. And then I went in with that gorgeous dark silver gray color that's got gorgeous sparkles. This would be really perfect for like a party or a dinner vibe, you know, if you want to go for something that is more like out there, not natural, because this is not natural. And I went in with that lighter silver. I thought it was like a bit of a blue, and I went in my inner corner, and then I'm also just blending in that darker color. Then we're going to put some mascara and pop on some lashes. As you notice, I didn't do a crazy wing. I just wanted the eyeshadow to be the emphasis. So I'm just cleaning the sides, and I'm gonna pop on some nice fluffy lashes. I wanted a chance to use one of the cream, because they have 2 cream eyeshadows at the start of the palette, but this one was more of a darker brown. I didn't really like it. I ended up changing to put a black liner because I thought it just made sense. So we have finished the eyeshadow. We're going to proceed to the lips, and we're just sticking to something nude. This is the final look of this Smoky Icon eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution. I am loving every single bit of it. I feel like I need to go somewhere, and today is just work day. I love it. Like I said, it just gives grown and sexy. It's given a perfect silver smoky eye. Let me know what you guys think. Would you try this eyeshadow out? I know it's just a lot of blending, but it's pretty fairly simple. If you're really into eyeshadows, please don't come on my comments and say, no, that's too much eyeshadow. Not simple at all. My makeup channel is not just for simple stuff, okay? There are people who like a whole lot of eyeshadow. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss, and also join my membership. You get exclusive content, and before my content drops you get to see it. And also I have some little tiny 30 minutes lessons here that are more in depth. But yeah, see you guys, love you.